Hello everybody! Hi! My name is Gemma if you didn't already know, and if you did know, hi, my name is Gemma and welcome back. Today I have a super special unboxing video for you today. Also, if you don't know who I am and this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Gemma. I really like kawaii and Lolita fashion. Check out my previous videos if you want to learn more about the fashion, and subscribe if you like that content. Today I'm going to be unboxing Angelic Pretty's Dolly Heart Special JSK in Saks. This was the only cut and colorway that sold out in like less than a minute on Angelic Pretty USA's website. I was there for the bloodbath. It's a very highly coveted dress. Not so much for the other colors of the series because they are still on the website as far as I know right now of filming this. So this was obviously a very popular dress. Not the entire release was popular, but just this specific colorway and cut, which I managed to grab, so I'm super excited about it. And today I'm also going to unbox for you Angelic Pretty's Strawberry Doll accessories. This I ordered about exactly a year ago, and it was a made-to-order release. I got the Strawberry Doll headband and I got the Strawberry Doll crew socks. Yeah, it didn't get to me until just like a week ago because of like the pandemic and everything. So yeah, I have these exciting things to unbox for you right now. Let's just jump on into it. First, I'm going to unbox the Strawberry Doll accessories. I have the Strawberry Doll OP in pink, so I got the headband and the crew socks in pink as well. Okay, here are the accessories. Oh, okay, they put it in this pink bag. It's not an Angelic Pretty bag. That's okay, it's a pink bag. Aw, cute. I got a little shopping bag. Alright, so here is the matching head bow. It's perfect, yep, it matches Strawberry Doll perfectly because it's literally made out of the material that they made for Strawberry Doll. It's just a cute little side ribbon. Maybe we can put it on. Ka-chow. So here is the ribbon. It's just like a very simple side ribbon. Aw, it's adorable. Yeah, I'm so excited to finally have the matching head bow. Heck yes. All right, and here are the Strawberry Doll socks. I'm actually really excited that the matching Strawberry Doll socks are crew socks. I honestly really love wearing ankle socks in the summer, and I think Strawberry Doll is a very springy, summery print, so I usually end up just wearing ankle socks anyway, and now I have the matching ankle socks. These are super cute. Ooh, this just makes my heart go dokie freaking dokie. They are pink, and there are the strawberries on the front with the ribbons, and there's like a little lace hem, and there's freaking little red ribbons, and on the back behind the ankle it actually says Angelic Pretty on it, which is just so adorable. I'm just so excited that I finally have the matching accessories. Now I have the full matching coordinate and I am so happy about it. Alright, now is the moment we've all been waiting for. Time to unbox Angelic Pretty's Dolly Heart Special Jumper Skirt Set in Saks. Alright, here is the box. I have a love-hate relationship with this kind of box. Angelic Pretty USA always ships in these like medium, I believe they're medium flat rate boxes. When you order a dress or anything, maybe a blouse or something larger like that, they don't fit in my mailbox. So I have to always pick these up at the post office because they can never fit this in my mailbox. So like, it's sturdy and I know my dress is safe, thank you, but also like I always have to grab this like a day late because I have to pick it up at the post office because it won't fit in my mailbox. Is it worth it though? Very worth it. These boxes also use like an adhesive that just really sticks, so you have to like really try to open the box. Ooh, ooh, whoa, whoa. Here is the inside of the box. Wow. Oh, here we are. Oh, wow. Okay. I have some thoughts already. Let's go ahead and take her out of the plastic wrap. Why don't we go ahead and look at the little head bow first. Oh, cute. Not mixed feelings. Okay, so at first when I was looking at the head bow, I saw this tiny little heart charm and I was like, oh, that's kind of adorable. It says AP on it and it's silver. But then I tried to kind of like fluff out the headband so that I could give it like a little bit more volume, and it just like was not going. There are some stitches here, so it's not really a poofy headband, but it's one that goes a little bit more, just like sits kind of on your head like this, which I don't hate. I like these kind of headbands. I don't know, I guess I just kind of wanted it to stand up a little bit more, but I think it's actually really cute. I don't mind it. I guess at first I wanted some poof, but now looking at it, I think it looks really, really cute, and you can do like a ton of hairstyles too. Like if you wanted to do some buns up here, I think that would work really well. All right, now let's do, oh my God. All right, now let's take a look at this dress. So the first thing that I noticed when I looked at this dress is the fabric is actually really nice. It does have a little bit of a sheen to it, so if you hate that on dresses, be wary. It's like nice, like weighted fabric. It's actually very, very nice. All right, so straight off the bat, I am seeing a couple of loose threads here and there. I usually find that to be common with special sets, like special OP sets or special JSK sets. But I do see like a couple of loose threads, which isn't a problem for me. You just snip it and you go on your merry way. That is something that I noticed that I don't see in other AP dresses that I have. This ribbon is just flopping and I'm not having it. It's a really, really cute ribbon for sure, but I believe like these ribbon wings up here, are they wings? I do not know, but these ribbon thingies up here are just too long that they just kind of flop. This ribbon right here is detachable, so it is only attached with one little safety pin. So I'm thinking I might have to take a couple of other really small safety pins and just kind of pin it up like this so that they stay. It's really unfortunate that it does that. Maybe if I wear it, it won't do that, but I don't have much boobages. I don't think there's gonna be much of a difference from it hanging on the hanger to it hanging on my body. I am flat, so. Okay, so getting onto the design of the dress. At the straps, we've got like semi-thin straps. It's got this beautiful scalloped lace around it that also continues on the bust right here. And the neckline is a sort of sweetheart neckline, very fitting to the heart motifs on the dress. And we've got just a little bit of ruffle right here, and it continues also on the back. On the back, it is shirred, and we have a little corset ribbon that's actually the same fabric of the dress itself. Usually it's just kind of like a thin random ribbon that they throw on, but this actually being made of the material of the dress is actually quite nice. I really like that look. Now we also have that pink detachable ribbon, and at the waist, I really, really love this detail. Instead of it just being like a seam here that just kind of gives the dress a fit and flare look, it's actually like a bit of fabric, like that's about like 2 inches of this type of like waistband looking like decoration, and you have the ruffles around it, and it also goes to the back. You also have a zipper at the side here to make it easy to get in and out, and on the skirt you have the first tier, which ends in that beautiful scallop lace, and then the second tier is just a little bit of a ruffle of the same design of the whole dress. The entire print of the dress is basically just hearts, and they are all in rows and columns. Very, very beautiful. Most of the hearts are white, and then we have some accent hearts that are kind of a bright pink, and we also have some hearts that have an arrow through them that say angelic pretty. And on the back we have detachable waist ties, and the waist ties are fastened by these simple, very, very light pink fabric plain button. I have a specific coordinate idea that I want to do with this, so stay tuned to my Instagram to see what kind of coordinate I come up with this. Like, it's something I haven't ever done before, so I'm super, super excited. I'm pretty confident I have a blouse that goes with this, but I'm kind of peeking over there, and I don't know, this is such a different Saks color that AP usually does. It's very vivid. This is a very bright take on Saks blue, so it really is just like a very unique colorway for a dress for AP, and that's why I love it so much. This just really takes the cake. I really, really love this dress. I'm so excited to coordinate it. Yeah, it's just such a unique piece, and it really is a unique piece in my wardrobe. All right, so now that Dolly heart is unboxed and we have taken a very good and close look at all of its glory and magnificent details, it is time to go ahead and try it on. Okay, so I have the dress on and I have some things to say. This is a very, very comfortable dress. I love the feel of the fabric. It is like a very soft, satiny type of polyester, and I know some people don't like that, but I really, really like it. It does kind of wrinkle a little bit more than their other polyester dresses, so if you have a steamer, this should be no problem. If you don't, nah, it definitely does like kind of gather some wrinkles, so do keep that in mind. The dress, even though it is shirred in the back, it is still kind of tight. The shirring does just kind of, it's kind of stubborn, so it just kind of sits at a very small place, and it really does like pull tight. Even if you loosen up the corset, it like still is very like tight on my waist, but it definitely isn't uncomfortable whatsoever. I really love the color. I love the design. It is so pop, fun. I don't know, it's just really, really cute. I love like the headband. I think it looks really adorable. And the blouse that I thought would go really well with it, I think actually does go really, really well with it. I'm surprised that the blues actually match very, very well. So I'm really pleased about that. I don't have to go and find a new blouse to go with this. This just like goes really well and it's really adorable. Yeah, I think this is just like such an adorable dress, and it just is really a unique piece in my closet, and I'm really excited to do some looks with this. Alright, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments, would you wear this dress? How would you coordinate it? Do you like Lolita fashion? Do you hate it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like my content, consider subscribing. Also follow my Instagram if you want to see my looks. Yeah, I hope that you're having a wonderful day. I hope that you keep on smiling, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Flappy ribbon. Flappy ribbon.